Good medical morning. This is Watson from Westside Health, and today we have a great review, something that could actually save your life, or at least keep you from getting dehydrated. And dehydration is no joke. You could go weeks without food, but only a few days without water. And if you're competing, your performance can suffer terribly if you get dehydrated. So when you're exercising out in the heat or wherever, you want something to help transport your water that's convenient and doesn't slow you down, such as this ProH2O Hydration Backpack. It's perfect for endurance athletes, day hikers, or just anyone that likes to work smarter, not harder, when it comes to hydration. So I'll give you some of the features and then give you my take on it. The pack is lightweight, has breathable padded straps, and it feels like you're wearing nothing at all.
Feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
Stupid sexy Flanders!
You can fit 2 liters of liquid in the bladder, which is also BPA-free. That's good. The hose has a bite valve with an on-off switch as well, and this will keep you from getting siphoned out. There are also storage pockets for smaller items and reflective straps. And finally, there's a no-risk guarantee. It's a fairly new company that plans on expanding their product line, so they're all about personal customer service and feedback. So here's my feedback. Don't underestimate the value of a bite valve. We use these in long-distance canoe competitions to prevent siphoning, and even without the on-off switch, a valve like this is usually about $5 or $6 on its own. And this whole backpack is just over $20 with Amazon Prime, just to put that in perspective. I also enjoy hiking and day hiking, which I can't wait to try this out for. Here's one of my favorite hiking spots, Pictured Rock's Lakeshore Trail. Check it out. If you're just walking, you could clip extra stuff to the backpack with carabiners, and even put some snacks in the extra pouches. If you're racing, consider stashing some electrolyte tablets in there. You can thank me later. So there you go, ProH2O Hydration Backpack. Check out the Amazon link below. I think I'm gonna go and try this out. Who's with me? Alright. Also, please subscribe to the channel. We have medical content and all kinds of good stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.